So how much Parimal the sadhak doing Nam Bhajan? So in the same Parimal, he will destroy their Anartha and he will get Nishtha and Asakti. So in that time, in the heart of sadhak, he will realize his own transcendental form. He will realize his own transcendental form. Once he gets the Swarup Ulvati, he will get his own transcendental form. Then he will. Then he always pray, being very humble before his Ishtadev. So this is the symptoms of pure Radha Dasya Bhav or Manjari Bhav. And I get the Dasi Bhav of Srimati Radharani Vishwahanandani birth after birth. So this is the feeling of service. So what I have to do, I have to get the service under the guidance of Brajavasis. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad in this slok saying, my tongue always my tongue always tastes the Radha Ram Ras. Always I engage myself in the taste of chant, engaging myself in the taste of Radha Nam, where Vishwaru Nandini I always remember the pastimes where always Radharani take the rest there. My mind always remember the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. I just only pray that how can I get the service of Srimati Radharani. I don't want anything more. all my senses, all our senses, always engage in the service of our Ishtadev. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, praying very humbly with all his senses, Sri Rupa Goswami Pad is praying with all his senses to get the Dasya Bhava of Srimati Radhika Rani. So how can I taste the Sadharas of Srimati Radhika Rani? How will I get this taste? So how will I get the nectar of Srimati Radhika Rani by my tongue? This is incredible. Here is the glorification of name. It's explaining. So if you are chanting the name of Yugal, Kishore and Kishori, that always give the pleasure to the heart. So in the Anartha Dasha, Sadhak doesn't get the taste in Harinam. He he's just chanting like a machine. He's not getting any machinery. Yes, he's always chanting like a machine. He never get any taste in chanting Harinam. But when we realize the name, then he will get so much pleasure by chanting the holy name. He wants to stop his tongue by chanting the name. Now we chant the name, but we are not getting any taste. We are not getting any pleasure. We are not getting a little bit, maybe a realization, we feel that it's good or not. That's why we are chanting the name, but we are not getting the same taste as we are not getting so much realization or so much pleasure. So we are not getting the same taste what we should have, what we should get. That's why it is saying, just keep on chanting. Nam Suru himself, when he will realize or will be manifested in our heart, then you will get so much pleasure. You will get so lots of enjoyment that time. That's why it's saying, when the day will come, then I will chant the holy name and my heart will be pleasure. When the day will come, when destroying all the aparadha, I will chant the holy name. When that day will come. Say then Habe. When I will get that Krishna giving my aparadha, and I will get the enjoyment, I will get the pleasure in Harinam. So that's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur is explaining more. Didi, Hindi translation is also available. You can check on another page. Suchitra Didi, Hindi translation is available. You can check. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is in this Kirtan saying, when that day will come, when in the Navdeep Dham, on the bank of Ganga, I will say Haradi Har Krishna. I will chant by crying Haradi Har Krishna, Haradi Har Krishna. When I will go on that bank of Ganga, when I will dance by chanting the holy name of Shri Radha Krishna. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is doing a kirtan very nicely. When I will take the holy name while leaving Aparada, then I will get so much pleasure. तथा वह नाम उच्चारण करने वाले तथा श्रवण करने वाले दोनों की ही अमृत प्रदान करता है। जो नाम कीर्तन करने वाले, who is doing the kirtan and who is hearing, who is chanting and who is listening, they both of them get pleasure. Both of them get pleasure in the holy name. This is the naam is very sweet. Krishnasya prema Manisankharanam Krishna Parama Akarsha Mandra Sadeva Nandeva Bhakti Sadharati Tat Rasikai Jani Bhava Bhagavat Prema Samastu Sadhaiva Shri Krishna, the assets of Shri Krishna. It's very. The name is sadhan and the name is both things. Sadhan and sadhya. Naam is both the sadhan and the sadhya. Sadhya sadhan tattva bhujivesa name. Naam is both things. Naam is sadhan and naam is sadhya. So while keep on chanting, so you will get so much pleasure in your heart. In Brihad Bhagavatam Grantha, Srila Sanatana Goswami Pad is explaining the glorification of name when Gopkumar, when he was chanting this holy name, he went on Govala Hare Mukunda He Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Ha Shri Yashoda Tanaya Prasida Shri Vallabhi Vanaradikesha Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna. Shri Yashoda Tanaya Prasida Shri Vallabha Radhikesha Shri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda Hare Nanda Vishnuda Shri Yashoda Tanaya Prasida Shri Vallabha Radhikesha Shri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda Hare Nanda Vishnuda Shri Yashoda Tanaya Prasida Shri Radhikesha Shri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda Hare Nanda Kishora Krishna Shri Yashoda Tanaya Prasida Shri Jivan Radhikesha. This Naam is very much powerful. So just this Naam Sankirtan will always give us Krishna prema. This is the powerful sadhan. There are many kinds of sadhan available there, but the Naam is too much powerful. There are 64 kinds of sadhan. From taking the shelter of Guru, and there are many. And there are, I told you, 9 kinds of sadhana: Shravan, Kirtan, Vishnu Smaran, Padasana, and I told you five kinds of sadhana: Mathura Vas or Shri Vaikuntha Pujan. And then I told you 3 kinds of sadhana: Shravan, Kirtan, Smaran. Then I told you 3 kinds of sadhana: Smarana. And at least Naam Sankirtan, Harinam, Naam Sankirtan, Naam Sankirtan. The topmost is Naam Sankirtan. If you are chanting the holy name without aparadh, then you will get Krishna Prem definitely. Naam Sankirtan is the topmost. Naam Sankirtan is topmost. Naam is sadhan and sadhe both. That's why it's saying. So if you want to get the assist of love of Shri Krishna, then you have to chant the holy name. Same Krishna himself attracted towards his name. Naam is so much powerful that it cannot attract the swam. It can attract the Krishna himself. That's why the Bhaktajan, the Bhakta always take the shelter of Harinam. Harinam is Amogha. Harinam is very powerful. We cannot explain too much about Harinam. It's like a Brahmastra. Brahmastra will not go waste, never go waste. So Harinam will never go waste. That will always do something. In the Ramchandra, there was a Ramchandra used to have a one that is called Rambana. So that arrow always went to the target. Come back. That arrow always go to the target and come back. It's like the same way. It's just the Bhagavad Naam. It's the glorification of Bhagwan Naam. Nam is the Swarup of Rasa. Nam Namina. Nam is Rasa Swarup itself.
आस्वादन ये नाम का ऐसे आस्वादन है वे सभी सुंदर सिखाने के नाम के आस्वादन में बहुत ये नामी पुरुष कौन है?
Who is the Nami Purush? Swayam Krishna himself.
कृष्ण नामी है और नामी
Krishna is himself is Nami or Nama. He is both.
नामी पुरुष
That Nami Purush, he is all himself is Nam or Nami.
प्रणय के नाम में वृत्ति होना प्रेम का स्वभाव
Premi.
आप किस नाम को स्मरण करते?
Which name you are chanting or remembering? So with whom you have love, you always remember that name. In this world, you have seen always that you have so much love with someone, then you will never forget him. You always remember them. Just the same way, here is explaining. This is the swabhava of a name taker. Krishna always, when he hear the name of Srimati Radharani, he gets so much pleasure, and he always observes her mind in that name. If somebody is kirtaning the Radha Nam, chanting the Radha Nam, and always Krishna himself attract towards that person. In this verse, what we say, Radha Radha, Radhe Radhe जब को चले आएंगे वो चले बिहारी. And if you chant the Krishna Krishna, then Radha will come. If you chant Radha Radha, then Krishna will come. Krishna always attract the Srimati Radharani, and Radha Nam always attract the Krishna. That's why we are always chanting Hare. We are always serving the Bodha. That's why Yugal name, always chant the Yugal name. That is Hare Krishna. Our both Aradhya Devi is both Yugal Jodi, Srimati Radharani and Krishna. We are not serving alone Krishna or alone Srimati Radharani. In our temple, we have Yugal Kishore Kishori. Both Radha Krishna and Radha and Krishna, both are object.
यहाँ तक कि देखो ये स्वयं कृष्ण भी राधा नाम सुनते ही मूर्छित हो जाए.
Krishna himself, when he heard the Radha Nam, he got fainted. He got so much pleasure. So in the pleasure, in that position, you will get so much tears from your eyes. Sometimes when Krishna heard the Radha Nam, he got fainted. If somebody is chanting the Radha Nam, Radha Mantra, somebody chant the Radha Mantra, then Krishna says, what should I give to that person? He gives everything to them.
और कहते क्या एक समय की बात है.
Once upon a time,
कृष्ण राधे के साथ
Krishna was going to Radharani. Krishna was going to Krishna was thinking about to meet Srimati Radharani. So Vrinda Devi said, I will arrange something to meet Srimati Radharani. And what Vrinda Devi did that, and she went to Srimati Radharani and brought her in a kunj. And Radharani was sitting there. And the another kunj, Krishna Krishna was sitting.
और कृष्ण अपेक्षा करते हैं।
Krishna was expecting that Radharani will come here.
ये देखो उस कुंज की थोड़ी सी हवा चलने पर
When the wind was flowing from that kunja,
राधा जी कृष्ण सोचते हैं राधा जी आ गए।
when Krishna was thinking Radha is coming,
खड़े हो जाते
and he got up.
हैं। कहीं कुछ शब्द होते हैं
When he hears some sound,
कृष्ण कृष्ण क्या सोच रहे
Krishna
हैं
thinks
ये
that
राधा जी
Radharani's
चरण कमल की नुपुर के करीब
the Radharani's charanupul is runjun runjun.
देखा तो कुंज मार्ग पर आई
But he saw that there was no
और
Radharani.
बार-बार वृंदा देवी
And again he is saying to Vrinda Devi, "Hey Vrinde,
क्या राधा जी ने सब
will Radharani will not come to meet me? Will she will not come to meet me? She is not coming yet."
देखो राधा जी के मिलने के लिए आपको एक उपाय बता
So Vrinda Devi said, I just explain you one thing, that you should chant Radha mantra.
मंत्र जप करने
When you
से
chant the
मंत्र के
Radha,
अधिष्ठान की देवता आपके निकट
if you chant the mantra, then the Adhisthati Devta of mantra will appear to you very soon. They will be pleased.
तो वृंदा देवी
Then,
ने
when,
उनको क्या
then
मंत्र दिया
Krishna said, what should I chant? Then Vrinda Devi said, Vrinda Devi gave them Radha mantra. Radha mantra.
बहुत सुंदर मंत्र
A very beautiful mantra.
कृष्ण ने क्या की
What Krishna did,
राधा मंत्र
he started chanting Radha mantra.
किंतु मंत्र आदि कैसे करना है एकाग्र चित्त
So how we have to chant with 1.8? We have to stable our mind or heart. Then we should always chant that mantra. We should always close our eyes and we should always focus on to our Ishta. We have to meditate upon our Ishtadev. There are 5 kinds of process. Nyas mudra.
मंत्र आदि
There are Namartha Chintana, Nyas mudra,
प्रपत्ति
Prapatti.
और
5
क्या क्या बताया
Nyas mudra, mantra,
मुद्रा
Prapatti,
प्रपत्ति
and 2.
और हो जाए
अरे गुरुजी कल लिख रहे थे वो लिख ही नहीं पाए मैं तो
डिग्री पाओ तो कैसे लिखना चाहिए ना और रोज कैसे शरणागति
शरणागति आत्मनिवेदन शरणागति
नामार्थ चिंतन मंत्रार्थ चिंतन
फर्स्ट मंत्रार्थ चिंतन न्यास मुद्रा
ज्ञान मुद्रा
प्रपत्ति आत्म शरणागति आत्मनिवेदन यस अब नेवर फॉरगेट मंत्रार्थ चिंतन चिंतन न्यास मुद्रा मंत्रार्थ चिंतन फर्स्ट मंत्रार्थ चिंतन so while you are chanting you should chant mantra you should chant or meditate on mantra and the mantrartha devta mantrartha chintanam nyas mudra second one is nyas mudra how many times you have to chant the guru mantra how you have to do that how you have to put your fingers what kind of posture you have to sit so how many times 108 times 10 times how many your guru has been explained to you there is no no you shouldn't chant by the tongue you have to be quiet upon you have to focus upon your mind stable your mind that is called nyas mudra prapatti
ये सब विचार यहाँ पर है
this is all that here
इसमें
the first one is mantra chitan means
हाँ
Nyas mudra this instruction which is given by the Guru how to say and mantras we have to focus upon mantra and mantras what no first one is mantra chitan means we have to meditate on mantra and mantras devta this is mantra chitan second is nyas mudra second one is nyas mudra
मंत्र देवता के चरणों का ही आश्रय ग्रहण करना प्रपत्ति का।
That is Prapatti. Prapatti always take the shelter of your Mantrarth Devta.
ऐसे स्थिर करना ही शरणागति है।
What is Sharanagati? Atmanivedan. Whatever I have, it's all Him. I don't have anything mine. Whatever I have, it's all belongs to my Mantra Devta. You have to surrender yourself. That is Atmanivedan. Nand Kishora. So what I told a story, Vrinda Devi, Radha Mantra. Vrinda Devi gave the Radha Mantra to Krishna. You should chant always Radha Mantra. Chant the mantra. Always meditate on mantra. Krishna was meditating on Radha Mantra and he was chanting. But what happened? But sometimes when he was chanting mantra, so if he gets some sound, so he was watching here and there by opening his eye. He was watching here and there. He was thinking, or rather, he came or not. He just got the sound of Nupur. If sometimes the trees leaves is waving, then he thought, oh, Radharani is coming. Then what Vrinda Devi said, look, you are not chanting the mantra properly. You are not meditating on mantra properly. What to do? Okay, just chant the holy name of Srimati Radharani. So just she wrote a Radha Nam on a tree for there is no difference between Nam and Nami. That's why what she did, Vrinda Devi, she wrote Srimati Radha name on a tree's leaves. Radha, the name of Bhagwan is not just a word, it's always Bhagwan himself. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is explaining, he's saying, explaining in a kirtan. Jai Jai Harinam. It is Chita Swarup itself. It's not just a word of Varmala, it is Swarup of Bhagavana. Bhaktivinoda Thakur showed by the Kirtan. Jai Jai Harinam Chidanandam Nityadam. Sakshat Bhagwan Krishna appeared in this world in the form of Nema. This is a glorification of Nema. So what she did, she wrote the name of Vrinda Devi. Vrinda Devi read the name and what she did, please do the parikrama of this Nema. And what Krishna did, Krishna was chanting that Srimati Radha name and doing parikrama. He wrote the Radha Nam and he was doing parikrama. He started parikrama. And while he was chanting the name, he observed his mind in the Radha Nayam. And he was dancing. And he was thinking that Radharani is standing before him. Radharani is standing before him, Sakshat. That's why it is saying.
नमानि गीतानि तदर्थकानि गायन माधव नित्यति रूपवाच्य। भागवत नाम,
It's in the
ये भागवत
Bhagavad.
नाम में इतने
Bhagavad Ram. It's too much pleasure of Bhagavad Nama.
नित्य करना
You can start dancing.
और साक्षात
You know,
नाम प्रभु
you will Naam Prabhu. You will see the Naam Prabhu. Naam Prabhu and Naam itself, they both are same.
आप अनुभव नहीं कर सकते,
We cannot realize.
साक्षात नाम प्रभु से। तो उसी प्रकार जब कृष्ण
So the same way when Krishna
ही राधा
was
नाम
doing the
लेकर
parikrama, he was doing kirtan. So what he saw that Radharani Saksha is there. Then Radharani is dancing with him. Wherever he see Radha, everywhere Srimati Radharani. He was watching her everywhere. He was visiting Radharani everywhere.
ऐसे देकर के उस समय वृंदावनी राधा जी
So writing the same, so Vrinda Devi wrote the same
राधा जी
thing.
एक राधा जी कृष्ण के ऐसे उन्मत्त देकर के
And seeing that Krishna
पागल दिखलाते हैं आश्चर्य, ये मेरे नाम लेकर के कृष्ण कितने।
so when Radharani saw Shri Krishna that he is being so much foolish by taking my name, so Radharani getting so much pleasure.
हे राधा जी कैसे था, स्वयं राधा जी
Sam Radha herself,
कृष्ण के साथ
she went to Krishna and meet him.
दोनों राधा कृष्ण साथ इस प्रकार मिलन।
So the same way Radha and Krishna meet there.
इसलिए यहाँ पर जो कार्य उन चरण ब्रज की प्रत्येक फल को प्रेम मगंध की विभावित करते हैं। मेरे ईश्वरी की विलास लीला मेरे हृदय पटल पर उपयुक्त हो, उनकी चरण की प्रसिद्ध है कला मेरी अंग की अलंकार स्वरूप। यहाँ पर
Prabodhananda Saraswati is praying here that Braj,
सरस्वती पाद इसी तरह राधा नाम
he's saying that
यहाँ तुम्हें भी होगा पादु का प्रदान की तरफ प्रदान की तरफ सूचर का वृंदा अटुभी विशिष्ट तब भावुक सब परम बहुत में तब प्राण नाते फिर उसी प्रकार राधा जी के नाम लेकर
so chanting the name of Srimati Radharani.
वृंदावन की वो स्थान पर नहीं पहुंचा।
When I will go to Vrindavan, where Radharani's Charan Dhauli we have the Charan Dhauli of Srimati Radharani there. How can I? There is so much Seva Kunja Nidhivan,
ऐसे जो दान गली
Dan Gali, Man Gali, Kunja Gali, Vilas Gali.
ऐसे स्थानों पर जाकर के
When I will go in these places, when I will go myself, when I will go round and round, load pot on the ground, rolling and rolling on the ground, when the dead will come. So there is a true story is there.
एक दंपति
There was husband and wife. They came from Bengal to Vrindavan. There was husband and wife. They came from Bengal to Vrindavan. They went to Seva Kunj. They got hired a room in Seva Kunj. They was both Pati Patni, husband and wife, staying there. What happened? After 2 or 4 6 days, her wife was suffering. She got died. Then that husband was too much asakt with her wife that he always crying, chanting the holy name, Hey Kishori. Wife name was Kishori. And while chanting the name of her wife, he was crying day and night and saying Kishori, 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 Kishori. Radhaji think that He is
Lalitesh Darshan.
Lalita. Give her darshan. Give him darshan. That he is chanting my name. He is chanting my name, Ishwari.
ये तो अपने पत्नी के नाम लेकर के
And the Lalita say, "Oh, you are mad." He is chanting his wife's name. He is mad in his wife's name.
वृंदावन में किसी से नहीं
So Radharani said, "Oh, in Vrindavan, I am the Kishori only."
देखो अंत में
At least
स्वयं
when her then Radharani went to him, that person, and give him the darshan.
जो कहते हैं ऐसे कैसे हो
So people say, how is it possible?
हाँ ऐसे जो है
But dham,
अपराध है
it's transcendental. There is no argument here.
यदि अपराध नहीं
If you don't have any aparad,
हम में रहे
then if you are staying in dham, you can get everything. You cannot, it is not, you can understand by the argument. There are many kinds of sadhu and santa staying there. If they are chanting the holy name Niraparad in the dham, then he can get everything there. That's why Tulsidas saying in Ramcharit, Bhai Kuvaya na kalasu. Janam Muni Ratan Jatan Karai, Ant Kal par Ram Naam Nai. Tulsidas is explaining. Bali said to Bhagwan Ramchandra, "Hey Prabhu, there are many kinds of Muni, Rishi and saint person. After so many years, they are worshipping of yours, meditating of yours. But at last, when they are going to die, they cannot chant your name. So please give me this birth." So just seeing your pretty face or in chanting your holy name, I can left my body. Everything depends on you cannot understand by argument. You cannot understand by argument all these things. In Vrindavan is not that ordinary dhama. In the spirituality is Niraparad. If you are chanting the name without offense, then you will get everything. So you will, if you are chanting the Yugal Sarkar's name, you will get everything. Definitely you will get that. But only one condition, that you have to be without offense, Niraparad. There are many people's desires that how can I leave my body in Vrindavan? But while they went somewhere, when they are staying in Vrindavan, that I can leave my body here. But what happened? But at last, when they are going to die, what they do? They can go from somewhere else. They cannot leave their body in Vrindavan. There was one Western devotee. He was doing Brajmandal Parikrama here. He came here on Brajmandal Parikrama. He observed Ekadashi. He was feeling so well, not so well on Nirjala Ekadashi. What happened on the Dwadashi? And he left his body in Roop Sanatan in Vrindavan. In our Roop Sanatan body, but in Vrindavan. So he was not here to leave his body. But what happened? He was here to do Parikrama. But what happened? At last, when she died on Dwadashi, she observed Nirjala Ekadashi and died on Dwadashi. I see that case in my eyes. In Mansarovar, there was a Katha was going on. Everybody is watching. After 10 meters far, there was a devotee was sitting of Bengal. You saw ये तो पास में बैठे थे बिल्कुल. ये तो पास में थे. And what happened? That people were chanting in Mansarovar. So within a second he got died. He left his body in Mansarovar. So this is the Mahima, glorification of Allah. But if you don't have any aparad, then Radharani will do mercy 100%. Bhajan sadhan. What is Bhajan sadhan? This is Bhajan sadhan. Dham's dust and Dham's Mahima, you cannot explain it. After so many words, after so many words, person is doing bhajan and sadhan, and they are performing bhajan here. It's not ordinary. It's not simple things. Yes, that's why. Janam janam muni jatan karai antakal prabhu Ram avat nai. There are many saintly persons doing bhajan and sadhana. They birth after births, but some fortunates are people there. They got the birth in
ये ऐसे
Brajgam.
नहीं है सोनाली सिस्टम जन्म हुई भजन साधन करके आए हम
No,
सोच
it's
रहे
not
हैं
ordinary.
इस
Many
जन्म
people who are staying in Vrindavan, they have done so many bhajan sadhana in their birth after birth. That's why they are staying in Vrindavan. There are many saint people are living in Vrindavan.
नहीं हो करके हम
They are living very, very humbly
ना
there.
किसी निंदा वंदना में
They
नहीं
don't do anybody's nindas there.
है किसी के अपने की कुछ बताते नहीं
They don't tell anybody about himself.
है
They keep everything inside their heart.
और नाम भजन करते
They always perform Nam Bhajan Sadhan.
हैं ऐसी भी
There are many santis available there in Vrindavan.
संत महात्मा एक नहीं
Not all the sadhu sant is same.
बिल्लाल दो धर्म राजा कुंज आदमी
There are some people are staying in Giriraj Govardhan. Many saint people are staying there, living there, and doing performing bhajan and sadhan.
ना किसी के क्या बोले
Ninda.
निंदा आदमी
Nobody is praises, nobody ninda.
बात
Always keeping busy himself in the chanting of holy name.
आंसू से
They are cheering, they are crying and bathing on that asu on the tears.
हम यही सोचते हैं जो अच्छा प्रवचन देते हैं
We think that somebody who is giving so much nice lecture
जिनकी कथा जो है
and lakh and crores people are who is listening their katha, we think that they are topmost.
हम उसमें क्या मानते हैं
We think that they are the best. They are the best. No, this is not possible. It's not.
ये तो देखो
But
कैसे कैसे संत महात्मा
there are many saints of Mahatma people in Vrindavan who are living very humbly and calmly. They don't express their heart. They don't have any kind of chal kapat in their heart. Day and night they are chanting the holy name of Bhagwan. As our Goswami work did bhajan and sadhan.
हे राधे
Hey Radhe,
श्री गोवर्धन बाबा भाग बदले कालिंदी वंदे वसंत विधि सर्वलो प्रजपति खेदे महाव्यास वंदे रूप सनातनम
Gopal.
रूप सनातन
Rup Sanatan, when he was staying in Vrindavan,
भाव में
he was always observed in bhava. They were crying and chanting the holy name of.
हम इसमें रहते ऐसी बात हो रही है
Maybe we can be there, and that time we can be Baba
कि
if we were that time.
क्या है अरे ये धनी बाबा है
Arey, we used to say, oh, this is Dongi Baba. These all rascals, foolishness.
संस्कृत श्लोक बोलने
If
पाते
somebody is not chanting, uttering that Sanskrit shloka, he doesn't know anything. He is not attaining the provision and everything. He doesn't speak or doesn't listen anything.
ये तो ऐसी है
He is just away. He is not.
आदमी कैसे
He is not a good lecturer. We can say anything to anyone. So that time we commit offense. So that's why it's saying वृंदावन के वृक्ष को वृक्ष मर्म न जाने कोई डाल डाल और पात पात पर राधे राधे होई. Gurudev said himself,
महात्मा
there are many kinds of Sant Mahatma.
अथवा बड़े बड़े संत महात्मा वृंदावन के वृक्ष के रूप में ही विराजमान
There are many kinds of Sant Mahatma staying in the form of vriksha, staying in the form of trees there.
नारद वैद्य आदि
Narad Vyas himself staying in the form of vraksh, in the form of trees in Vrindavan. You never know, you cannot know. You don't understand, you cannot understand. That's why Gurudev is saying, never pluck any trees, flower or leaves from the trees. Do not pluck. तोड़ना नहीं. नहीं छू सकते हो. You can touch them, but you cannot pluck them. You can do offer, pranam. So that's why if they mercy upon you, then your heart will be clean. When we goes to Mansarovar, you have seen how these trees are. They are downtime. It's not simple. It's not ordinary things. If sometimes when we used to go with our Gurudev and somebody sitting on that, we used to go with Gurudev, and sometimes any people who always pluck the trees, and he used to sit on that. Then Gurudev always scold them, hey, don't do this, always offer Dandavat Pranam. These all are not ordinary trees. Our Janardhan Maharaj, he always rolling and rolling on the ground and always chanting the name, hey Vrishmanunandini, hey Vrishmanunandini, please mercy upon me, hey Vrishmanunandini, please mercy upon me. These all are not ordinary vrakshas, trees. Who Sant and Mahatma taking form of trees? Nobody knows. We cannot understand these things. We should always keep that in our mind. Jad Bharat Maharaj, who can understand him? Nobody can understand him. Jad Bharat. You have understood the story of Katha of Jad Bharat Maharaj? Have you understand? And everybody is thinking that he is foolish. He is fool. And all the family members are thrown him out and kicked on his ass and throw him out. He is just taking food and doing pakhana and doing potty. So do one thing, he keep him on the field so that he can plow there. So what can he do in the field that if Pashu and Pakshi, any animal is coming, so he can scold them? Who can understand? Uttam Bhagavad. How many kinds of performing bhajan sadhana we cannot understand. It's very hard to understand. This is my mean to say. Vrindavan Dham. It's a very nirala. It's unique. This is transcendental Dham. Who is performing bhajan sadhana is there. They can realize. And it's true. Sometimes some people as dhongis there who are not performing bhajan sadhana. When farmers do the kheti on the fields, so what they do, they seeds the row. There are two kinds of plant. First is gehu, wheats, and the second one is and just looks like grass, but it's not wheat. But some people who has experience, he left the ordinary and always take the wheat, ordinary grass. Acha. In the same way, there are many dhongis are living in Vrindavan too. Yes, it's true. There are many liars in Vrindavan. It's true. There are many dusht and durachari, criminal rascal people are living in Vrindavan, who always engage themselves in par charcha, par ninda, who always tease everybody. There are these kinds of people are also staying in Vrindavan. That's why. So who is living how many types or how many kinds? So we don't know. So who are performing bhajan and sadhana? As I told you, Avigya Krishak, the person who is expert, who have experience, he can judge, he can discriminate which is the wheat grass and which is ordinary grass, which is grain or which is ordinary. So he keep the wheat grass and he always put the ordinary grass. So at the same way, who is performing bhajan and sadhana, they can understand that who is liar and who is true. Bhakt, asli. They can understand. Asli sadhu, nakli sadhu. They can judge. They can discriminate between those people, said who is lying, who is true. Sometimes people think the dhongi sadhu, that liar people is performing bhajan sadhu, they think he is the very nice people. No. But who is experienced and bhajanshil, who is always engaging himself in bhajan and sadhana, and then who they have a higher class, they can understand, they can judge the people that he is rascal and he is true. This is my mean to say. Vrindavan is not ordinary dham. It's very sweet, where you should always, when you will performing bhajan and sadhana, you will realize that. So we don't know how many verse after verse somebody is performing bhajan and sadhana and is taking the shelter in Vrindavan. Nobody knows that how many in birth after birth you are performing bhajan and sadhana, you got the siddhi, and now you are taking shelter in Vrindavan Dham or Mathura Dham.
इसलिए तो कहते हैं,
That's why it is saying nobody, do not ninda anybody,
ना
do not praise or do not criticize anybody.
समय बर्बाद,
It's all wasting of time.
समय नष्ट करके मत खाइए।
Do not waste your time.
भगवत प्रेम,
Always performing bhajan and sadhana. Chant the holy name.
इसलिए तो कहा नहीं,
इसलिए तो कह रहे हैं प्रभुनानंद सरस्वती पाद saying the same
मेरे
thing.
दोनों हस्त स्वामी के
My
नाना
both
प्रकार
hands.
के, यानी पुष्प माल्य अलंकार आदि के गुंथर में,
I always engage myself in the service of Srimati Radharani in garlanding, making garland with the both hands.
ऐसे सुंदर जो हाथ के भगवान,
Krishna has given me beautiful two hands. What to do with them? Always make the garland. Always make the garland for Yugal Sarkar.
नर्तन दास के,
Narottam is saying,
राधा कृष्ण
Pranam Yugal Kishora Jivane Marani Gati Ar Nahi Mora Rati Amarati Madhur Divajai Gati Gale.
आधारे तू रिया दिवो कठोर नामुरे। कितना सुंदर है,
How beautiful Kirtan is this? Radha Krishna Pranamala Yugal Kishore.
सुंदर सुंदर पुष्प आदि चैन
And after plucking the beautiful flowers from the trees and making the garland for Yugal Kishore. Aha, beautiful. How bhagya. Very nice. How will get I this service?
भगवान ने हाथ दिया,
One has given him beautiful two hands.
महाराज
So we should have to always make the garland for the Yugal Kishore and Kishori.
जब मैं स्वामी विलास श्रम से क्लांत हो जाएंगे, तब उनकी मैं पाद मर्दन की सेवा का
When Radharani will go to rest, then I will always massage her feet.
ताम्बूलम
Make tambulam.
ताम्बूलम पाद मर्दन,
These all Gosai Pal and Tambulam for giving the betel nuts and doing massage on her feet. Aha, how bhagya.
ये मेरा सौभाग्य, इसी
When I will get this fortunate, when I will be so fortunate that I can engage myself in this kind of services. Shri Rupa Manjari Kadachit Pada Pada Vallam.
हाँ मधुर कर्पूरी परार में था मेरी संकीर्तन और कीर्तन,
Raghunath Goswami Dhanim Balab Pushpanjali is expressing his feelings.
नाम भजन करते करते
Keep on performing bhajan and sadhana. You will get this kinds of realization, chintan in your heart.
सिद्धि ते पाई देता है, केवल मात्र प्रॉपर को विचार साधन दशा में सब आपका
In the sadhana dasha, you will realize this kinds of
सिद्धि दशा में
bhav. And in the siddhi dasha, you will get that fruit
नाम भजन करते करते
after performing nam and bhajan.
विश्व का भावना मानता करते न किसी के निंदा करना, न किसी के वंदना करना,
Do not criticize anybody, do not praise anybody, do not waste your time in all these things.
नाम करते करते
While keep on chanting the holy name, you will get all these realization yourself. It's spontaneously.
भाव उत्सव परम भगवत में प्राणनाथे रति, सीधाधा के भाव उत्सव अर्थात उनका गोविंद के साथ लीला विलास, कवि साधना के मानिन्य होने पर गोविंद साथ वाक्य से मेरी प्रार्थना करें, हे सुंदरी, हे दयावती, तुम राधा जी को प्रसन्न कर मेरे विरह जागृत शांत कर। ये कितने सुंदर, इस वक्त प्रार्थना,
How beautiful this prayer is.
उनकी विनती सुनकर मैं उनका हाथ पकड़कर सामने के पास ले जाऊं।
Have these kinds of feelings.
कितने सुंदर हमारे गोस्वामी
Our Goswami beautifully explained. Shri Krishna Tavavartam Lahari. Vishwanath Chakravarti is explaining so much beautiful feelings. Is how beautiful bhav they are explaining.
ये नाम करते करते
After performing Nam Kirtan, you will get this kind of chintan in your heart.
नाम और कुचिलता में सुकृत नाम स्मृत भ्रमण और नाम मनसी में तिष्ठत प्रजे तदानुरागी जनान गामी काल नये तभिनमित उपदेश सार। इतना को वचन पाता है।
This is the Rupa Goswami Pad is saying. in this shlok. You should learn this shlok. Yaad karo. Tannamritam charita. Learn this shloka. Staying in Vrindavan. And while doing chanting, keep on chanting Naam Hari Naam. The beautiful, the sweet name of Shrimati Radharani and Krishna, Madan Mohan, Mandavan, Vrindavan Chandra, Ras Bihari, Ras Raseshwari. How beautiful name is. What is the meaning to say? So while chanting all these names, you will realize all the leelas of Shrimati Radharani and Krishna. That's why it is saying Radha Krishna. Beautiful name of Shrimati Radharani. Blast Yukta Naam. Always chant the blast Yukta name of Ras Raseshwari. Ras Bihari. Krishna is saying Ras Bihari. And who is Radharani? Ras Raseshwari. Ras Raseshwari. Our Acharya Pad is saying Krishna. Krishna is not Raseshwar. He is not Rasa Raseshwar. He is not Ishwar. He is not the control of Rasa. Who controls Ras? Shrimati Radhika Rani. She always controls the Ras. She is Ras Raseshwari. There are many thousands of gopis there, and Krishna is also there. But if Krishna is not and Radhika is not there, then Krishna has left the Ras, and he went to find Radhika Rani. These all bhavs are explaining Ras Raseshwari. Who is controlling the Ras? Shrimati Radhika Rani. Geet Govind in the Granth of Geet Govind is explaining so nicely why. Jayadev Goswami. Yes.
अपनी सामने के साथ उनके प्राण प्रेम के मिलन कराने की ही मेरा गति का समस्त सौभाग्य है.
So I will be so fortunate. Well, I will meet Shrimati Radhika Rani to Krishna. This is my only heart wish. They meet each other. This is the bhav of Manjari. This is the duty of Manjari. How beautiful bhav is this? What is one mean to say is when you chant the name of Nama, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, give some time, sit alone and chant the holy name. Lonely, ekant. Shut the door of your room and chant the holy name very loudly, and go somewhere which is peaceful area for some time and chant the holy name there. And do not criticize and praise there anybody's, and chant the holy name there lonely, and you will realize, you will be pleased. No, do not criticize, do not take. Always chant the holy name. Just name. Then Nam Prabhu himself. Then you will get all this Nam Rupa Gundalila in your heart. You will get so much pleasure in that. There is so much pleasure is there. Go to the roof and chant the holy name there on the lonely place. Do not see anybody's and do not attract anybody's there. Always engage yourself in the name. And don't watch here and there. Always chant the holy name. Just name and name only. Observe your mind in the name of holy name. That's why Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad is explaining the shlok. Hey Radhe, Radha Nam Sudharasam Rasetu Jivahasako. This is the beautiful name of Shrimati Radhika Rani. When I will chant this beautiful name of Shrimati Radhika Rani and I observe my in that, the time is over now. We will do some Tulsi Puja now. So I will chant one shlok here and then we will finish. Shri Radha Pada Padavati in Vilas Pushpanjali. I just need the my gati in the path Padma of Srimati Radhika Rani, in the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika Rani. Radhe Radhe. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bo. Prabhade Sapad Pankajayo. Halayam. How beautiful the shlok is this. Aha. Raghunath Das Goswami in last Pushpanjali explaining this. Aha. How beautiful is it? Beautiful katha is there. Your mind will always be observed there, melted there. Viraha, the separation mode. Hey Devi, Shri Radhike. I am drawing in the ocean of sorrow, and please have mercy upon me. When I will get the shelter of your feet, please. When I will get the boat of your mercy. This what kind of this word is? This sansar is Bhavasagar, Dukh ka ghar, the ocean of sorrow, and I am drawing in this. So, what Srimati Radhika Rani, hey Radhika Rani, please give your boat, mercy of boat, so that I can be on that and then take shelter of your lotus feet. So just your mercy boat. When I will get your mercy boat, I just want to take the shelter of your mercy boat. Without you, who will mercy upon me? In this, no word is possible in this world. I'm feeling so much lonely, alone in this world. Who will help me in this world without you, Radharani? Please help me. This Kam Krodh is teasing you so much. Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying in Bangla Kirtana, Gopinath, Mama Nivedana Sona. Gopinath, Mama Nivedana How beautiful the Kirtan is. It's expressing our bhava, feelings. Bhagwan always bhavagrahi janardana. Bhagwan accepts your bhava always. Just chant the name by crying and crying. I will discuss further tomorrow. Shri Gurudev is explaining so much beautiful feelings in Bhajan Rahasya. This is Bhajan Sadhana. And what is the Bhajan Sadhana? This is the Bhajan Sadhana. Do not waste your time here and there. Read these scriptures. Bhajan Rahasya. Madhurya Kadamni Bhajan Rahasya. And Bhajan Rahasya. Read this Granth. Both Granths. And you will get so much pleasure. There is no need to read any other Granths. Just drown yourself in this Grantha. Everything is there. Tattva Siddhanta, Ras Madhurya. Everything is there. These both Granth. First is Tas Granth, Madhurya Kadamini, and the second Granth is Bhajan Rasa, Ras Madhurya Grantha. Read these both Grantha. Bolo Vrindavan Lal ki jai. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
से मिला